Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this episode, I am going to be telling you about a new feature that I'm working on to improve my newsletter. I'm building a website to help it out and make the bullet points more engaging. But first, just to back up, I want to give you a subscriber update. My newsletter, The Simple American, now sits at about 14,353 subscribers. So I'm still growing, which is fantastic. Those of you that don't know, my newsletter is a daily news brief, and it's 8 to 13 bullets a day of the biggest things that happened in the day, the biggest current events in politics, economics, business. And it's just a quick way for people to get caught up, stay up to date with what's going on in an unbiased way. And so I've been growing at about over 14,000 subscribers now. And in previous videos, like I said, I'm starting to monetize, trying to find brands to partner with. I just started using third-party platforms to help me connect with businesses that would be interested in buying ad slots. So that's kind of where I sit with the newsletter right now. I'm still working on that. Monetizing it through ads has been a little bit more difficult than I thought, but I'm working through it, trying to figure it out. But in this video, I kind of want to talk to you about something new that I'm adding for the newsletter. I am building a website called Simple American News. And what it will be is, a lot of times in my newsletter, I will put the bullet points of what happened in the day, and I'll put a hyperlink in the bullet points to redirect people if they want to read a full article on that bullet point. So what I've noticed is, a lot of times though, in these news articles that I'll hyperlink to Yahoo Finance or CNBC or TechCrunch or Reuters or whoever I'm linking these articles from, a lot of times the articles are still very long. Or, the site, it has lots of ads popping up and it's very hectic. And people don't want to navigate through that. But at the same time, they still want more information than just the bullet point in my newsletter. So what I'm creating a site for is to hyperlink from bullets to drive traffic to my website. And I'm going to be making articles summarizing up in 1 to 2 paragraphs that one bullet point. So if CNBC, for example, writes an article on the inflation numbers that just came out for the US, I will take that CNBC article and I'm going to summarize it up in 1 to 2 paragraphs and cite the article, give the link if people want to read that entire article, and then I'm going to post that onto my website. So now what will happen is, if on my newsletter a bullet point is inflation comes in at 2.3% year over year, just an example, I'm going to hyperlink to my website that will take you to an article that's 1 or 2 paragraphs of that bullet point in much more detail. And then if you want to go further, I link to the full CNBC article. It'll take you right to their website. So I feel like I'm kind of not explaining this in the best way, but what I'm doing is creating a website to kind of break down each bullet point in more detail, but at the same time not have to read or scroll through for 10 minutes to get more info on that one bullet. So that's kind of a new thing that I'm trying to incorporate. I'm going to be incorporating this website using links. I'll be putting in my newsletter, which will drive traffic to my website. Kind of a new feature, new idea that I want to do. A lot of the feedback I've been getting with the newsletter is sometimes people want more info than just the bullet points, which is great. I want people to find more info. I want people to read more. I want people to understand more what's going on in the world. So this is just kind of another way for me to expand kind of what I see is just giving people more access to more information in a much easier, efficient, and simple way. So that's kind of where everything is now. Thank you guys for listening to this video. Please like and subscribe, and check out my newsletter. I will leave a link in the description. And thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.